Hello, and I welcome you all to our ninth video on the Placement Connect YouTube channel. This is the most demanding and most asked questions by most of our freshers who are facing a lot of difficulties in trying to crack the coding and aptitude websites both on campus and off campus. So we thought we could bring up this unique video, which is the first of its kind on YouTube. So let's not waste any of the time and get into it further. So first things first, I'll be handing this over to my colleague Kanasu, who will be taking you all through the first four reviews of the coding websites. I'll catch you guys in the later part of the video. So handing over to Kanasu.
Hello everyone, welcome to the 8th video on our YouTube channel Placement Connect. In this video, we have covered the perks of online assessment tests which are carried out across the country by IT sector and firms to hire skilled and efficient candidates. In this digital era, many job aspirants dream of getting placed in a firm with the highest package, and these online websites are connecting the aspirants with the firms by conducting tests and contests, thus fulfilling the requirements of the company. Before moving further, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. What we can expect from the video is why the IT sector and other firms are choosing these online sites to hire the candidates. Are these candidates really being benefited from the online assessment portals? Are they really getting their dream job according to their proficiency and the skill sets? We'll also see the websites and other assessment portals which conduct tests and contests to hire the candidates. Now coming to the point why IT sectors and other firms hire candidates through online portals, there are various reasons. Narrowing down the talent which is filtering the candidates based on the cutoff marks, but this will never ensure that the selected candidates have required skill set. Some online assessments may review the way a candidate interacts and communicates with co-workers and also sees his behavior when put in a specific job environment. Usually, when these exams are conducted, they look out for programming developer or full stack developer, allowing them to create and write their own unique and efficient code. As in when the field expands, these programmers and developers will be behind the scene, men and women masterminds creating the new scripting language and managing the traditional ones to make sure that the technology and digital experience for all humans is advancing. Now, we will see how these online assessments are benefiting the job aspirants. Online tests will reduce the hiring time and recruitment costs while allowing the companies to identify the top talent. Job aspirants can take exam at their flexible time from the comfort of their home. It will also help the aspirant to understand and analyze his strengths and weaknesses. Your marketable skills. Being a fresher with zero work experience, you may not be aware of what skills you possess that might attract the recruiters during campus placements. Taking career assessment tests will give you insights about this aspect of yours. There are various websites through which the companies conduct assessment tests to hire the candidates. Some are ANCAT, Codility, HackerRank, HackerEarth, CodeChef, Glider, etc. Now let us see about the website HackerRank. HackerRank is a place where programmers from all over the world come together under one roof to solve the problems in CS domains such as algorithms, machine learning, and other programming paradigms. Programming challenges, namely code sprints and contests, are carried out where users compete on challenges during a set period of time and are then ranked at the conclusion of an event. It also provides a provision for learning and practicing codes. Let's see the pros and cons of HackerRank. The advantages are it provides the developers to code in any languages. It also provides the flexibility to run on any operating system. It also helps in evaluation of front-end, back-end, and full-stack developers through project-based assessment. The disadvantages are problems are poorly worded. Solutions to their problems are often available online with minimal googling, so cheaters often pass the filter at far higher rates than the good candidates. This test is also not suitable for freshers. Experienced candidates are more liable to take the exam. The model code does the poor job of analyzing the code which the candidates have written. The level of difficulty varies from easy to intermediate, and we can give a rating of 6.5 out of 10. Now, let us see about CodeChef. CodeChef is a learning platform for technical skills as well as assessment website almost similar to that of HackerRank. Various events and other contests are held, such as Snackdown Worldwide, to bring the community of programmers together under a single roof. Seeing the pros of CodeShift, certification programs are launched fortnightly and monthly for various concepts in the field of computer science, which is known as DSA certification program. The disadvantages are quality problems are very low and the intended solutions are overcomplicated. Test cases are not visible, which makes it difficult while debugging. If the solution of the candidate does not match the model one, he will be disqualified as the solution is not a standard one. Instead of writing the problem statement directly, many fictional statements are used, which makes it difficult to understand. The level of difficulty varies from intermediate to advanced, and hence we can give a rating of 7 out of 10. The next assessment portal we have is the AMCAT. A large number of companies use AMCAT to hire the candidates. AMCAT is a computer-based test which assesses the employability of a candidate by comparison with multitude of other candidates. We have less core companies and more startups hiring through AMCAT. The BE domain jobs are very less and more of business analyst jobs are prevailing. Now let us see the pros and cons of taking AMCAT test. The pros of taking AMCAT. Uplifting the relevancy of your LinkedIn profile. We can add to the LinkedIn profile that we have written the AMCAT test. Also, we can take the exam for various job roles at once. The disadvantages. Problem statements are quite easy and you can find repeated questions from automata section. The coding questions are really very basic level and AMCAT is used by almost all companies only to filter the candidates rather than focusing on a candidate with efficient coding skills. We do not have a clear picture of the job profile unless we reach the final stage of the interview process. A candidate may be good in artificial intelligence or machine learning, but not so familiar in DBMS or Kotlin, but he has to answer questions related to DBMS in AMCAT test, failing which he will be disqualified in the exam. The level of difficulty varies from easy to moderate and thus we can give a rating of 5 out of 10. The next online assessment portal we have is the Glider. A Glider is an assessment website similar to CodeShift wherein you will have interactive tests related to automata, programming tests, real-world engineering simulations, coding interviews, wherein you are picked by a company from a bunch of candidates and you along with the technical manager of the company collaborate to complete the project. All the domains are involved here like sales, marketing, technology and BPOs. Let us see the pros and cons of Glider assessment website. The advantages. Basic live code sharing interview takes place, which means we can write the code at the same time and also give the interview. There is also an option for candidate rating and giving the feedback. The disadvantages. There is no real-time updates of a particular company. There is no transparency and user interface. If you are stuck in between the exam, we need to contact the support section every time. Though the simulation of real-world projects are available, sometimes it becomes complex to understand the algorithms and even the firms back out while analyzing the query executions. There is no proper exposure to the IT talent community. The testing of projects may sometimes not yield the desired results. The level of difficulty varies from easy to intermediate and hence we can give a rating of 6 out of 10. I'm handing over the next part to my colleague, so please do watch out for it. Thank you.
That was truly a wonderful review or feedback by my colleague Kanasu. So, moving on to the next six aptitude or coding websites which have posed a lot of difficulties for freshers both on and off campus, we have eLitmus. I have rated this to be as 5 out of 10 because if at all you get this, I probably am damn sure that everyone will have a good go at it. So the next one is you can see Lead Code over there. Lead Code and Top Coder are one of those most preferred programming websites that you can find online. And if you have this to your campus recruitment, I probably would rate Top Coder on the higher side when you compare it to Lead Code. So the difficulty level of Top Coder is actually right up there. So coming to the bottom three coding websites, you have Codeforces, Codility, and HackerRank. So out of these three, you can find HackerRank most common aspect, which most of the companies in India actually, host this for a lot of colleges. Codeforces then and there. Codility, yes, on rare occasions you can find them in those HackerRank level sort of scenarios as well. So I would rate Codility as 6 and HackerRank and Code Forces on the same level. I hope you liked our content this time around. Do like, share, and do subscribe to our video. And if you have any queries, feel free to mail to us at placecon20@gmail.com. And on the right side, you can see that we have placed our free guidance WhatsApp group. I will just place the link in the bio so that you people can join our free guidance program. And looking at the left, as you can see, our paid professional CV services, you can avail this also by mailing to us so that you can increase your chances of getting shortlisted for the best of the companies that you can possibly apply.